Bharti Urban Private Limited is coming up with its new launch now in Aerospace Park North, Bangalore. Hello everyone and a very warm welcome to Housey. This is your host Jetala and today we'll be revealing the teaser of Nico 9. Well, we are here on the actual site of the project, so let's have a glimpse of our site. So I'm standing exactly in front of the land parcel. Just behind me is the land parcel of our project. The main entrance will be coming up on my left hand side over here, and even the marketing office which is getting ready inside. Wherein this video will be exploring about project overview, location, amenities, super built-up area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. Now before starting our video, let me introduce you all with Housey. So Housey is nothing but India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate guarantee. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers resulting in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry now because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the broker. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's start with the project overview where Nico 9 is spread across 15 acres of land parcel consisting of total 8 towers, where each tower is of 2 basement ground and goes up to 18 floor, where you get options in studio room, 1 BHK, 2 BHK, 2.5 BHK, 3 BHK and 3.5 BHK premium homes. There are total of 1600 plus units in our project. Talking about the location where our project is located off New Airport Road in KIADB Aerospace Park North, Bangalore. So let me show you the neighborhood of our project where I'm standing exactly in front of the land parcel, that is the main entrance. So the main entrance will be coming up exactly in front of me over here. And this is the KIADB Aerospace Park Hardware Road, where this road on the back end side will connect you towards New Airport Road in just 300 meters. And the opposite side road will take you inside the Hardware Park, that is the KIADB Aerospace Park Hardware Park. Now, let's discuss about the further connectivity part. So you can connect to KIADB Hardware Park in just 5 minutes from our project. Campegoda International Airport, that is 10 minutes away. Reva University is 10 minutes away. Manyata Tech Park is just 25 minutes away, whereas you can connect to upcoming metro station in just 20 minutes. Let's discuss about the amenities part, and our project offers you 40 plus world-class amenities. Like of you get 40,000 square feet of grand clubhouse, wellness and meditation zone, kids play area, multi-purpose court, gymnasium, landscape garden and many more luxurious amenities. Now if you are the one who is looking to buy a home in Bangalore, then here's a suggestion from my end, because Housey is here with its new series called Rights of Home Buyers. As many home buyers don't exactly know what their rights are. For example, if you book a home by paying a token amount and later on cancel your booking, how much amount a builder can legally deduct? Or else even after possession there is any leakage or construction related issue happening in your project, is builder liable for the same or not? All this is explained in a very simple and easy manner in our series. So before you buy a home, you must watch this series 1, and the link of our series is mentioned in the description link below and even in the I button. Talking about the super built up area, so as mentioned, our project offers you studio room, 1 BHK, 2 BHK, 2.53 and 3.5 BHK premium homes, where studio room is of 480 square feet, 1 BHK of 690 square feet, 2 BHK of 1094 to 1170 square feet, 2.5 BHK of 1317 to 1386 square feet, 3 BHK of 1610 to 1735 square feet, and 3.5 BHK home of 1826 square feet super built up area. Now let's discuss about the booking process, and currently our project is in pre-launch stage. So we are open with the EOI, that is the expression of interest. So our interested clients are invited to our site where our sales team will explain the complete project detail, will share the payment and pricing scheme, and will show you the actual land parcel as well. And then if clients like the project, they can proceed for the EOI. So everyone, this was a teaser of Nico 9 by Bharti Urban Private Limited located in Aerospace Park North, Bangalore. If you are looking for more details of the project, click on the link below to download e-brochure and price sheet.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.